Hi, the initial interface of more current versions of Microsoft Excel is now known as the splash screen, or the introductory page of Excel. But your first time opening Excel may not be like mine, because of the difference between our versions. I'm using the 2021 version, and if you use another version, stay comfortable, even though there'll be a few differences, but I'll cover it all. If not, ask in the comments section below. One of my colleagues, or I will answer. What you might have on your screen when you first launch Excel might be one of these. 1. You may get a blank workbook instantly opening on your screen, like this one. 2. It may look like going to New, like this. 3. It may look like going to Open, like this. And these interface differences are because of the versions we use. Like if you use a Mac, it's going to look more different than this. But don't worry, these are the biggest differences between Windows versions of Excel and Mac versions too. Now, this is our screen when we first open Excel. On the top left side, we have Startup options, which include these big three icons: Home, New, Open, and some additional options below that. There we have a blank workbook that we will start to work on. Besides that, we have quick tutorials of new features added to our current version, and the last templates that we open. We can get more templates by clicking this, and you'll go to New. Here you can find many templates that we can choose from, and we also can search for what we want, or just choose a blank workbook. Finally, we'll have recent documents here, and you can pin important documents by clicking this little pin icon, and they will be pinned on top, and in the pin section here. Again, just a heads up that the interface might look a little bit different when you first open up, but you're still going to get all the same features. So this is our startup screen. It's going to give you several options to work with new documents or existing documents. Take your time and try exploring by yourself. Just take a look at what you have open in front of you, and then we'll jump into the next video and we'll create one of our workbooks and get a deeper understanding of the Excel interface. Till now, if you've got any questions, ask them in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon.